Now next topic is grouping worksheet. Means grouping worksheet means you will group two and three sheets, and whatever change you will make in one sheet, it will change in another sheet also. If you group any two and three sheet, if any changes you will done in one sheet, it will same changes will appear in second or third sheet. Okay, so we will start with grouping the sheet. First of all, you have to insert one data. Okay, now this is your data. Now press and hold shift key and click on, still you are in sheet 1, so you have to click on sheet 3. When I click on sheet 3, then leave shift key and release shift key. When you will click on sheet 3, you will see the name changes from book 3 to book 3 group. Okay, now the name changes from book 3 to book 3 group. Okay, now all three sheets are grouped once. Okay, it will that is grouped in one sheet. Now if I will change anything here in first sheet, I am still in first sheet. Suppose I will merge these three cell and write, suppose I will write data of students, and I will make it bold and in red color. Okay, now what you have to do, when you have done your work, then go in any sheet, sheet number 2 or 3, not in sheet number 1, go in sheet number 2 and 3, right click there and click on ungroup sheet. Now see, if you will see sheet number 2, I write this thing in sheet number 1 only. In sheet number 1 only this thing I have written. So it will change, it will appear in sheet number 2 also and sheet number 3 also. It appears in sheet number 3 also. Okay, suppose I will give you one more example. Now see, if I will change the name of this subject from English to science, see, in all three sheets this name is English, this heading name is English. I will change the name of this particular subject from English to science in one sheet only, and it will show in all these three sheets that this name changes from English to science. How? First, hold and press shift key and click on sheet number 3. Now it will changes into group. Now what you have to do, change the name. If I will write SCIENCE, science. Okay, I change the name from English to science. Now right click there and ungroup there. Now you will see in sheet number 3 it is also written science. I haven't changed in sheet number 3, I haven't changed in sheet number 2, but it automatically changes because I change in sheet number 1. Like this you can change anything in one sheet and it will appear in another two sheet, or if you want 4, 5, 6 sheet, you can insert in that much sheet on. Okay, now next topic is consolidating data. Consolidating data means when you group any two or three sheet, if you want to add data of first sheet and second sheet in sheet number 3, so how you will do it? Suppose we will understand with one example. Suppose I will give you one example and you will easily understand with that example. So suppose only one student I am taking, so this is data of only one student of term first. Okay, these are the marks of student of only term first, and these are the marks of this is the marks of student of term second only. But in third sheet I want the addition of term first and term second. So how I will do it, we will see here. Okay, so suppose first of all we have to group these three sheets. How we will group it? Press shift key and click on sheet number 3. Okay, click on sheet number 3. You have to group it. Now click on sheet number 3. Now click on sheet number 3 and click on B3, this cell, B3 cell, and click on B3 cell. Now click on data tab. Now first you have to click on data tab. In data tab there is one option that is consolidate. Click on consolidate option. Now one dialog box will appear. Okay, one dialog box will appear. On that, first option is function. You have to select function sum. You want the addition of term first and term 2. Now second is reference, from where you will take the number from sheet 1 and sheet 2. Okay, and you will add here. So first function is sum. Now reference. Reference I will take from sheet number 1. So when I will click on sheet number 1, it will show me sheet number 1. And which data you want? These three data. Okay, so you will select these three. So it will automatically write the cell number B3 to D3. Okay, now click on add button. First we have taken from sheet 1. Now click on add button. It will add here. Okay, now click on sheet 2 and select same B3 to D3. Okay, B3 to D3 and click on add. Now sheet 1 and sheet 2 both are added here. After adding these two, if you have 3 and 4 sheet, you can select third or fourth and fifth also. Here we have only 2 sheet. In third sheet we need the sum of these 3. Okay, then click on OK button. When you will click on OK button, it will automatically move on to sheet number 3 and it will show the sum of number. Suppose number in science is 60 and previously it is 50, so sum is 110 suppose. So it will show me the sum of these numbers. When you will click on it, see, it is showing the number, it is showing the sum of science number. Here is 50 and here is 60, so addition of these two is 110. In the same way, here it is 60, here it is 40, so the sum of these two is 110. And after that you can calculate total according to your B3 to D3. Okay, okay, now click on sum function and select from B3 to D3. It is selecting B3 to D3 and click on OK button. It will show the total. For percentage, you will click on function and in average select the cell range from B3 to D3. Okay, not E3, D3. Okay, then click on OK button, so it will show me the percentage or average of these three. Okay, so like this you can group 3 sheets, and you will take the data of 2 sheet and add up and enter in third sheet. Like this you can do data consolidation. So this is your last topic of this chapter and this chapter is finished here.